And now you're going to work not in pairs, you're going to work alone, and you're going to send me an audio reading all the numbers that you can find in this. For example, 4, 45, 5, 45, 3, 95, 20, 10, 49 cents, 38, 37. So you read all the numbers and you are going to send me an audio to the WhatsApp group. So don't forget the correct pronunciation of these numbers. And then we are going to work with a conversation. For this conversation, you can work alone or in pairs, depends on you. You're going to listen to the conversation and you're going to answer these questions, and you're going to write down, in this part you can write or in a piece of paper, depends on you, all the different numbers that you hear. What do they refer to? For example, 1. ¿A qué se refiere? Al bolso. So all the numbers that you hear, you take note here, and in parentheses, you write what do they refer to. Okay, so don't forget. And let's start with the listening. Before we start with the listening, if you're working in pairs, so you continue with this, what are you going to do? You are going to add here in this part a small conversation that contains a number. For example, 19 says letter A. Letter B, is it your age? A, no, it's the day I go on vacation. So you're going to create small conversation of 3 lines that includes a number, okay? So don't forget, if you're working in pairs, if you're working alone, you are going to send me an audio. Me envían un audio, si trabajan solos, explicando un número. ¿A qué se refiere? For example, I say 50. This is the number of bottles of soda that I have drunk this month. So you say a number and then you explain it if you work alone. If you work in pairs, you create a small conversation of 3 lines and you add this conversation here. So audio or conversation, alone or pairs. So don't forget to listen carefully. Take notes of the number, what do they refer to, and don't forget to answer these questions, okay? So now we are going to start with the listening.